next one, conversion of decimal numbers into rational numbers. Here we know that rational numbers are terminating decimal numbers and non-terminating repeating decimals. There are two types are there. Rational numbers are terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals. We are going to learn here how to convert the terminating decimal expansion into a rational number and the non-terminating repeating decimal expansion into a rational number. There are two types are there, that all we will see here. First, terminating decimal expansion. Suppose here I am considering it as 0.375. It is a decimal number which it terminates. It is stopped there. It is not repeating because bar is not there over there. It is a terminating decimal expansion. How to convert this terminating decimal expansion into a rational number? So here you remove the decimal. Decimal after how many places are there? You remove the decimal and write the number as the numerator. 03375, but 0 there is no value. I am writing this one as 375 upon, in the denominator what do we write? How many decimal places are there? There are 3 decimal places. So we will write 3 zeros followed by 1. Clear? So 5 table cancellation. 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives 25, 5 twos are 10, 0 0. Again 5 table. 5 15s are 75, 5 4s are 20, 0. Again 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 30, 5 8s are 40. So 3 by 8. So here rational number for 0.375 is what? 3 upon 8. Got it? One more rational number you see. .675. First step is remove the decimal and write the number without decimal in the numerator. Here actually 0675, but 0 there is no value before the number. So here I am writing 675 upon, how many decimal places are there? There are 3 decimal places. So 3 zeros followed by 1. 1 followed by 3 zeros. Cancellations you see. 5 table, 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 200s, again 5 table, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20, 27 upon 40. So the rational number for the decimal expansion of 0.675 is 27 upon 40. Is it clear? Now let us verify for this is for terminating decimal expansions. For non-terminating repeating decimals. Non-terminating repeating decimals. Again, this non-terminating repeating decimals are of 2 types. One is pure recurring and another one is mixed recurring. In this one, 2 types are there. One is pure recurring. Pure recurring, and the second one is mixed recurring. What is pure recurring and what is mixed recurring? Recurring means repeating. Purely repeating and mixed recurring. For example, if I am taking 0.3 bar, I will consider. What does it mean? 0.3333 and so on. Only one number is there decimal after. That full number is repeating there. That is pure recurring. Suppose if I am taking 0.15 full bar, that is 15 is repeating. 15, 15, 15 and so on. These are all are coming under pure recurring. What is mixed recurring? Mixed recurring means 1.1526. Here bar is on 26. In that one there are decimal places are there. 1526 is a decimal place. In those all the decimal places are not repeating. In that one a part of it is repeating. 26 is repeating. That's why this is mixed recurring decimal will say. This is pure recurring decimal and mixed recurring decimal. In this video we are going to find out how to convert the pure recurring decimal in the form of P by Q or a rational number. So here converting pure recurring decimal, converting pure recurring decimal in the form P by Q. P by Q form means rational form itself. Let us consider we want to convert this one 0.3 bar in the form of P by Q. So let x is equal to 0.3 bar, 3, 3, 3 and so on. There are so many 3's are there. Like here, how many decimal places are there? Only one decimal place is there. So what am I going to do? This x I am going to multiply both the sides with 10. Because why 10? Only one decimal place is there. So 1 followed by 1 0 I will take and I multiply with 10 there. So I am multiplying this one with 10. 10 into x equal to 0.3333 and so on times 10. This is 10x equal to, whenever a decimal number is multiplied by 10, the decimal will move towards my right hand side. So how many places it will move? Only 1 0 is there. One step it will move and reaches over here there. That is 3.333 and so on. From this, what am I going to do? I am going to take away the x value. What is the x value? 0.333. Here 4 3's are there. That also I am writing, not a problem. This dots indicates 3's only. So here nothing is there, 3 only. 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 equal to 10x minus 1x is 9x. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 9. That is, x is equal to 1 by 3. What we thought of x is 0.3 bar. Therefore, 0.3 bar equal to 1 by 3. So, rational form of 0.3 bar is 1 by 3. One more example you see. Next examples we'll see in the next video there. Thank you.